Well, hello, class. Yes, the background is different today. It is very cold here. I decided not to go outside. We have a lot of snow. It's about this high outside, and it snowed very hard yesterday. And teacher does not want to get sick, so I'm staying here today. And I just felt like having this as a virtual background today for the class. We're going to talk about nouns, uh, but more specifically, plurals, countable nouns, non countable nouns. That'll be a second video. And a third class or a third lesson will be about irregular plurals. So, anyway, this one here, I'm just going to give you a very brief example. Water is a non-countable. There's 4 gallons of water. There is a lot of water. Water is a non-countable verb. We're going to talk about that in the next class. But you see houses, house, House, the plural, Houes. And we have a hill. You can have one hill or you can have 2 hills. And you see trees, Trees is trees. But before I go any further, I really want to take a moment, welcome everybody, welcome visitors, welcome students, teachers, members of the community, anybody who wants to share our lesson today. And please share the lesson, please like it, and put comments in. And I have a surprise. We're going to have a game. Yes, stay till the end. We're going to play a game. Okay, now, yeah, it's the weekend, so I'm not all dressed up. I don't have my long sleeve shirt on today. I just wanted to have a class and just enjoy the lesson. So here we go. Now, pay attention because you're going to figure out the game as we have the lesson. The first word today is frog. Frog, Frog. The plural, we add an S, it's frogs. Now, the next word is glass. Now, the plural on glass is glasses. Teacher is wearing glasses. GLASS is a glass. GLASSES is glasses. So that's the plural. We have to add ES. Skunk, SKUNK. The plural is skunks. SKUNK. Now, a word of advice. This is not a cat. It is a skunk. If you see the white stripe on his back, leave him alone. That's all teachers can say. Do not bother the skunk. Leave him alone. We have a kite. KITE, and the plural, KITES. Eagle, EAGLE, eagle. If you see 3 eagles, it's EAGLES. Has anybody started to figure the game out yet? Well, we'll talk about it at the end of class. But it's going to be a fun game. You're going to enjoy playing. Elephant, ELEPHANT. And the plural, just add an S. Elephants. How many elephants did you see? I saw 4 elephants. Yes, we like sentences. Television. Oh, I got to get this one right. There we go. Television. TELEVISIONS is the plural. I saw 3 televisions at the store. Nest. Nest. The birds made a nest. How many nests are in the tree? Nests. Plural is NESTS. Nests. Tiger. This is a tiger. How many tigers did you see? Tiger is tiger. Tigers is the plural of tigers. Rabbit. 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 The plural is rabbits. Rabbits. Turtle. Turtles. Turtles is the plural. Now, if you can think of other counting nouns, write them in the comments. Now we're going to play a game. I promised you a game at the end of class, and we've got time to play the game, and you're going to like this game. The first vocabulary word is frog. Frog. Notice that the first letter of the word is an F, but the last letter is a G. Now, one of my students was at the library and they played a version. There are several versions of this game, and we're going to probably play some of them. But here's the G, the last letter of the word. Now, here's how you play the game. In the comments, I want you to write a counting noun that begins with the letter G. Okay. For our game here, I'm using the word glass. Now, what is the last letter of the word? It's an S. S. So now we need to write a word that begins with the letter S that is a counting noun, something that you can count. Now, the plural of glass is glasses, like the teacher's wearing. So that is a counting noun. So what's our next one? Skunk starts with an S, ends with a K. So now we need a word that starts with K. Now, I'm going to show you the word we're using in class in a minute, but there are other words. I'll give you a hint. Key, Key, keys is a counting noun that you can write. Okay? And then there's an even funner way I'm going to tell you once we finish. Kite ends with an E. A kite ends with an E. So what counting noun starts with E? Eagle also ends with an E. Begins and ends with an E. So what can we use? Elephant. And add an elephant. Now we need a T. What word do we have that starts with T? Television. And the last letter is an N. Nest. And that last letter is a T. So what do we have now? We have tiger. Tiger. What's the last letter? It's an R. We need a word that starts with R. Rabbit. Turtle. There you go. Turtle. Okay, now for the funnest part of this game, I want you to write words that begin with a letter and then the last letter start. This is for extra credit. The last letter of the word start a new word, and then another one, and another one. That is your extra credit assignment for today. And with that, we're going to say goodbye. I've enjoyed having you in class. Please enjoy, please like, share, and subscribe. It's time to go. Goodbye.